we were gonna do a packing video, but we're both very bad at procrastinating, and I had to work, and we've been trying to check the weather for this trip, and it is crazy all over the place. So I don't really have a very good one, but I brought a coat.
Oh, this is like an unpacking video.
Because it's supposed to be like 53 one day, and that's cold.
True.
So, a warm coat, but then I also brought a swimsuit.
Of course.
Because there is the solarium that is a heated pool.
Correct.
So, you know, that's what I'm talking about. Major extreme weather changes. So
yeah, this is a first for us to try to plan for.
I brought a nightshirt, and that's what I'm going to wear to bed every night. Because you don't need a whole lot. And then I like my packing cubes. This is the worst unpacking video ever.
It's great.
This packing cube contains all of my formal dinner shirts, and then like the tank tops that go underneath them. I think that's all. Oh, and my blazers that go over that. So you can fit a lot in a packing cube, truthfully.
True.
So, and then just one regular t-shirt. So that's what's in that one. Next, I get a lot of questions.
Yes.
About this. I actually got it from Lost and Found at my work because, like I said, I work for a resort group, and we can occasionally go through. It had been there for a long time. It is one of my favorite things to have on a cruise.
Mm-hmm.
And it's
Modelo.
Modelo. I think it's like a Walmart brand. I don't know.
I looked it up on eBay. You can sometimes find them for like $10-15.
Please excuse how dirty it is.
Oh, well.
But it seriously holds everything. So I've got all my toiletries, the small one, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, powder, deodorant, micellar water. And then I've got razor, some hairspray stuff, contact solution. This is all my makeup, the hairbrush, contacts, and hair accessories.
And it hangs.
And it hangs. That's my favorite part. So there's hooks typically right there.
You may have to use the one where the breakfast menus are, yeah.
But it's out of the way. You can access everything easily. It folds up. It can be a little heavy, but I take it on every trip. I love it.
Not a sponsor, but Modelo, you can sponsor us if you want.
I'm probably gonna hang it in the bathroom just to keep it out of the way for now.
Okay.
There's all these,
Oh, there's tons of hooks. Yeah.
well, maybe not. There we go. Yep. Ta-da! Beautiful. Just out of the way. And you don't have to take up a bunch of counter space with it.
True.
So I brought a lot of long sweaters. So I got that one. I brought too many sweaters.
You got a lot of sweaters. They're very thin sweaters.
I wear fashion sweaters.
Yes, you don't wear sweaters for warmth. You wear fashion sweaters.
They keep me warm. I did bring some thicker stuff though. Beige and gray. So yeah, 4. I was only going to bring 3, but then I wore the orange one yesterday, so it ended up coming with us. Formal wear dresses. This is the cousin of the blue one.
That's right, MSK.
Yep, I brought a black dress, just like the blue one I wear, because we got it on a really big sale, and I figured, why not? And then I brought a blue, kind of a Grecian style dress that my sister actually got me for Christmas a couple years ago. And it's really pretty. So those are my 2 formal dresses for this trip. Teaks. They fold up.
There you go.
These are my formal shoes, and the only formal shoes I brought, because flats are great on cruises. And they're black. They go with everything. Easy. I brought Skechers. I brought gray and black, which I almost left the black ones at the hotel.
Sure did.
So they're in my backpack, actually. So I brought 2 pairs of Skechers, gray and black, which I normally wouldn't do, but I figured, why not? And then the Teaks, and then I have the brown Crocs that I have on today. So that's all the shoes I brought. I didn't bring any open-toed shoes because it's too cold, in my opinion. Underwear.
Oh la la.
They all fit in this teeny little packing cube that I've had for a while. It's kind of breaking, but I like the size because it's very compact. And you can fit everything you need for what, I think I have like 11 pairs in here.
I think so.
Yeah. So I'm just going to put that in the drawer like this. Just open it up. There you go.
Draws for days.
In the drawer.
Draws in the draw.
That's right. This is all of my shirts for freezing to death. Well, actually, there's an assortment. It's a packing cube. Woo! This is one of the larger packing cubes that we just got from
Amazon Basics.
You'll see all these outfits later, but
that's true. You got shirts and shirts and shirts.
Lots of stuff in it. So that's shirts, and then all of my pants. So I've got jeans, white pants, black dress pants and black jeans in here. And one pair of shorts.
Nice.
Just in case. Socks here.
Always important.
My own hair dryer. In styler to do my hair. Emily, don't watch this video.
Oh yeah, it belongs to her technically. You borrowed it a long time ago and never gave it back to her.
And then this is my Dermabrush bag. So it has my Dermabrush in it, but I also put in here cotton pads for your face. So they are always in here. And then foot lotion for some reason always ends up in here.
Sure, you might use that when you're washing your face.
Sure, but yeah, it's just always sits by the sink and it's pretty compact and stores nicely, so. I hold all of my jewelry in here, which is bad because it probably will get tangled, but this is just how I always do it. It's a hard case, so nothing can happen. It can't really smash.
Glasses case, yeah.
Yeah, it's an old glasses case, but look at all that jewelry in there.
That's a hot mess.
It's hard to store, actually. But, yeah, I like untangling things, luckily.
Yeah,
So
it's a good hobby.
me. And I think that's about it. I have brought a scarf and a lint roller. This is a secret pouch.
Apparently, that's the brand of cheap packing bags, whatever that we got.
Stuff.
Oh,
Just
that
in
is a
case.
secret pouch,
Well,
all right.
just in case. And then a massage ball.
Oh yeah, for working out them booty nuts.
Booty knots.
Booty nuts.
That's all I brought though.
Nice.
Yep, that was probably the most
It was the best. The most best.
non-informative packing vlog ever. Much better with warm weather packing. So we'll do another one when we go to warm weather destinations because you do not have to take such a variety of items. Literally, I was just throwing stuff in the suitcase. So hope you enjoyed it.
Boop, 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 boop,
I'm
boop.
gonna get to unpacking now. Bye.
And now we've reached the part of the video where Dee unpacks the meat. So here's the clothes that the J brought. Look, that's a suit jacket. I haven't taken that on it's been a few trips since I've taken that.
Royally, you should.
It's got all sorts of cat hair on it. I got some, well, that's our Carnival Platinum Cup that we're giving the other one to Ricky and Laura because they already have one. Look at them plaid shirts. Ooh, ooh.
So good.
I brought a total of 5 shirts, one of which is not counting my dress shirt, one of which is on my body. So 5 day shirts for 9 days. I figured that would be sufficient. I have 3 plaids and 2 solids. But more about that. I'm going to be in the outfit of the day video too. So whatever. Oh yeah, we're going to get some cat hair off of those.
Oh boy, that'll be fun.
1 dress shirt.
I thought you brought a white one.
Nope. I got the same dress shirt for both formal dinners.
T-shirt.
So that's how I roll. T-shirts. Yeah, I got a lot.
Okay.
Pretty sure I brought 11 t-shirts, 11 pairs of drawers, and 11 pairs of socks. No,
11 t-shirts.
9 pairs of socks? I don't even know.
T-shirts.
Look at all them t-shirts. Whoa.
Pants.
Pants. Got 2 pairs of jeans.
Shorts.
Oh yeah, those are my lounge shorts.
Swim trunk.
Yeah.
Khaki.
Khakis and black dress pants. Heck yeah. Look at all that. And then really, oh, I got a tie and 1 more pair of shoes because I brought the 1 pair of shoes, which is kind of meshy and sporty, my Skechers, and then I brought my suede Skechers, which are my dinner shoes. That's it. I went simple. Well, you don't show my drawers on camera. Don't show them. Don't. No drawers. Oh, I see them. Put them in the Put them away. Okay, I can still see them. There's burgundy ones right there. That's fine. That's right. Whoa, you're blurry. But that is my basic wardrobe. 5 day shirts, 4 pairs of pants, one of which is my black dinner pants. Gosh, that's a lot of noise. Some drawers, some t-shirts, and some socks. Look at that. So simple.
You have to show.
Let's look at our medicine bag. Yeah, so I have a toiletries bag, a medicine bag. Let's look at all of it. Medicine bag, we kept it simple. We have Band-Aids, we have some ibuprofen, we have some Aleve, some generic Neosporin, Bonine, Salonpas, that's the little hot patches for, you know, all your aches and pains over there in your blurriness. Booty. Cough drops, Clorox wipes, some lozenges for the throat. Sometimes we bring more than this, but that was enough for this time. My toiletries, you know, Q-tips, poopery, powder, whatever. Y'all don't need to look at, y'all don't need to know all this stuff. Look at it. So good.
So good. What's in your backpack?
My backpack is mostly techie gear. It's camera stuff, it's chargers and electrical splitters and all sorts of stuff.
Stuff that make the vlogs.
That's right.